Never gonna stop, gitchy gitchy goomy, say I love you. We get it, you see?
Oh my god. That was an accident.
So you can just accidentally harmonize really, really well.
Yeah. Okay, what's the intro?
Ready?
Hey, what's up? It's ashlife.
Wrong! Hi friends, this is
Nini.
and Nini. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much makeup do you know? Like makeup terminology?
Like a 1 or 2. Maybe a 3.
Yeah, she doesn't need makeup. She's naturally pretty. So today we decided that it would be a good idea to have Nini do my makeup. So we have all my makeup on here. Literally, like my makeup thing is like empty over there, and we're just gonna let nature take its course.
Yeah, it's gonna be destructive, but okay. First, I think you need foundation because that's like on a house.
Oh, my foundation's over there.
All day Luminous. Using foundation because like foundations of a house. So I think this one goes first. I'm using my fingers because I don't want to screw up her brushes. Okay, I was just gonna like, I guess this is for evening out stuff.
What the fuck?
I really put too much on your forehead. I just have that effect on people. Okay, I need more.
I don't even know if it's still my skin tone. I bought this in like the 7th grade.
It's like not. It's not, but it's like not.
It's like
bad.
super orange, right?
Watch me fall.
I guess makeup's kind of like painting. If you think
It is.
about it.
It's literally paint for your face. It's art for your face.
I wonder why I'm so bad.
Did that mountain you painted?
Oh yeah, that was kind of good. Where's your contour? Oh no, okay, I can't. Shape tape. Oh, contour concealer. Oh my god. People can put concealer like here. I hate WAP.
The only people that watch my channel are kids from school, so if you have the WAP vocab, hit me up, please.
I think that's how you do it. What is this? Powder. Oh my god, I forgot. Okay, this is a concealer.
Ready?
Concealer. Oh yes, this is the Tarte Shape Contour Concealer. Foundation Primer Photo Finish. This is after, because it says finish.
This is after because it says finish.
Okay, so I'm using the Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette to create some nice highlights on her face. Oh no! You can see her nose highlight pretty well. I don't even know, bro. Okay. I'm gonna do your eyebrows. Liner. Have you seen your lip stuff?
Yeah.
Eyeliner pencil. Yeah. Oh my god.
Dabble the
Ew.
Ow.
Like that's like high, because okay, I saw somewhere where you have to like draw it and then fill it in and then put like a highlight or something. Where's your filler eyebrow thing? Oh,
I just looked at my eyebrow, didn't I?
Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna pretend that it's good and move on.
It's probably good.
Alright. Ready? Yes, please.
Oh my god.
Voluminous. No, I think we should do eyeliner first. Oh wait, does she even have? I totally forgot that I'm using a picture. But yeah. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Where's your eyeliner?
When you smile.
Oh, I'm using eyeliner. Oh, I'm really bad at this. It's already really thick, but I don't see. No, actually, I suck.
I suck at eyeliner too. I've heard the song. What is this song?
I forgot. Wait, open your eye. Yeah,
It doesn't matter as long as they both look alike.
Oh my god, I look so emo.
What?
Up. Yeah, just get the eyeliner.
I need to make sure that when I blink. Oh, I blinked and.
Time for some makeup wipe. Was I supposed to do eyeshadow before? I could just like fix that with eyeshadow or something. This, I know. This is mascara. You should get the green mascara. Even lipstick, I can't put it on because I always end up looking like Miranda sings. Oh, your eyelashes are so nice. Thank you. Stop blinking. I got the eyes. Actually, I think we're good with mascara.
It does smell.
I'm using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette.
You're just opening to smell it, aren't you?
This is so good. I'm using the Tartelette Toasted Tarte palette eyeshadow.
Ready?
I'm gonna use this one for like a base. The smaller one as a base. Some shiny stuff on the top. It would have looked better without the eyeliner. Like I wouldn't have done as bad of a job.
We're gonna come between.
Candle right here.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, my sparkle. It's okay though. Got a pocket full of sunshine. I gotta let you know that it's all mine now. Glitter queen. Oh my god, I'm gonna try to do that like it's like darker and lighter.
Ombre?
Yeah, but like there's like another word for that. When I came home at lunchtime, I heard a funny noise. It was one of those rowdy boys. He told me he didn't know. He said I went to the year 3000. I feel like I need to make that lighter part more prominent, so I'm gonna add
Prominent. Told you she was smart.
Okay. So much powder just sprayed on your face.
My favorite Jonas Brother was Nick.
Oh, me too. Actually, my favorite was Joe.
Joe, yeah.
And then
nobody
it was
liked Kevin.
Poor Kevin, he's so cute though. I think I messed it up. Actually, it doesn't look terrible though. And lipstick.
You know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby, cause that's the issue. Miss you. I just wanna kiss you. Kiss me through the phone. What I've got to say, but I have this dream.
Is that how you supposed to know? Oh.
You know, this is
Okay, rub your lipstick on there. Not bad. Voice in here inside my head. The reason that I'm singing, I need to find you. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it. This one.
everybody makes
Mistakes.
mistakes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody knows what we're talking about. Everybody gets that word. Talking about everybody. Nobody's perfect.
Are we done? Are we good? Are we done? Okay. So this is the final product.
Ta-da!
Aspiring music in the background. Hardcore metal.
Alright, man!
Please tell me what you think about this. No one's gonna comment. But if you see me around school, then please tell me what you thought.
Yeah, so she's gonna post my info down below.
And her channel because it's great.
So, hit me up.
Nini's freelancing now. DM her for prices and inquiry. That word. If you live in Houston, Texas, then if you go to my school, or even if you don't, if you have WAP Chapter 23 vocab, please hit us up.
It's really hard for me to balance school and work and like, I don't know. Makeup has really taken over my life. Even though I don't wear any, I know how to do it so
Like,
good.
just, anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please be sure to
Give a thumbs up and subscribe.
and comment. If you feel a little bit generous,
Follow me too.
if you feel a little bit generous, follow us on all our social medias. I'll have it in the down bar. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace out, ashlife. Woo!
I'll be over at 10. You tell me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I go to the door and I can't take it anymore. It's not you, you let me down again. Baby, baby, I try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you.